Welcome, doctors. We know you didn't sign up for all the insurance verification headaches. But let's be real, it's one of those behind-the-scenes tasks that doesn't get much love until something goes wrong. You know the drill. A patient walks in, ready for their visit, only to find out there's an issue with their coverage. Now you're scrambling through portals, on hold with payers, and your front desk is buried under paperwork. Meanwhile, the patient's stuck in the waiting room, and you're losing precious time and revenue. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be this way. With the right partner, you can take this stress off your plate, so you can focus on what really matters, patient care. Why insurance verification matters: you've got a full day ahead, and everything's running smoothly, until you hit that roadblock. Your team realizes the patient's insurance hasn't been verified. Now, you're playing catch-up. The clock's ticking, and all of a sudden, the whole day feels off track. Insurance verification may not seem like a big deal at first, but when it's not done right, it causes a ripple effect. Patients lose trust in your practice. Claims get denied, meaning lost revenue. Your front desk gets overwhelmed. And you end up with more problems than solutions. That's the last thing you need, right? Here's where Staffingly, Inc. steps in to save the day. A team working behind the scenes, handling the insurance verification for you, accurately, quickly, and stress-free. Before your patient even walks through the door, they've already checked their coverage, copays, deductibles, and potential plan limitations. They've even flagged any potential red flags before they become an issue. It's that simple. Staffingly takes care of it all, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how does this actually fit into my practice? Here's the thing. Staffingly doesn't require you to overhaul your entire system. They work directly with whatever EHR or practice management software you're already using. They integrate seamlessly with your current workflow, checking eligibility across all types of insurance: medical, dental, vision, Medicare, Medicaid, and more. So, no more scrambling to get on the phone with payers, no more logging into multiple portals. And the best part? Most of the time, you'll get everything back the same day, especially for scheduled appointments. The benefits now. Let's talk about the benefits, because let's face it, who doesn't want to make life a little easier? When you outsource insurance verification to Staffingly, your front office is free to focus on what they do best: taking care of patients. The result? Fewer billing errors, fewer claim denials, and your team spends less time stuck on the phone with insurers. And here's something every healthcare provider can appreciate: fewer rejected claims and faster payments. When you get the right verification in place from the start, your revenue cycle becomes smoother, and your cash flow improves. Why providers love Staffingly? We've heard it time and time again from doctors just like you. They were drowning in administrative work before Staffingly came on board. But once they started outsourcing their insurance verification, everything changed. It wasn't just about the time saved. It was about reducing frustration across the board. Staffingly fits right into your team, taking a load off your staff while providing you with accurate and timely insurance information. And, since they're trained in payer systems, EMRs, and your specific workflows, there's no learning curve. They just plug in and get to work. Let's address a few questions we know you're thinking about. Absolutely. Whether it's medical, dental, vision, Medicare, Medicaid, or commercial plans, they've got it covered. Typically, same-day results for scheduled appointments. Fast, right? Staffingly works with your existing EHR or practice management system. No need for any major changes on your end. Yes. Staffingly follows HIPAA-compliant processes and uses secure communication channels, so you can trust that your patient's information is safe. Insurance verification might seem like one of those small tasks you can put off, but when it's done wrong, it can cause big headaches. But with Staffingly, Inc. handling the heavy lifting, you don't have to worry about it anymore. It's fast, accurate, and it saves you time and money in the long run. Plus, it helps your team stay focused on what matters most, providing great care to your patients. So, if you're ready to make insurance verification one less thing you have to stress about, reach out to Staffingly today. Let them take care of the paperwork while you take care of your patients. Thanks for watching, doctors. Here's to a smoother, more efficient practice.